lecture we have learned about standard form of quadratic equation. So now we will study about roots of quadratic equation. In this equation we are given a value which we put in those equation, and if that value coincides with the equation, then it is called the roots of that equation. So let us now look at some example of quadratic equation. Example: x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Find the root of the equation. Answer: when we put x value in this equation, thus we will get LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, it is root of this equation. So now we are going to see example of standard form of quadratic equation. Example: 5x square plus 9x minus 9 is equal to 0. Compare the equation with the standard form or general form of quadratic equation. Answer: 5x square plus 9x minus 9 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with standard form. When we compare this equation with standard form of quadratic equation, then we will get value of a, b and c. The value of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we will get the standard form of quadratic equation. So a is equal to 5. B is equal to 9. And C is equal to minus 9. This is the value of standard form of quadratic equation. So I think you understood today's lecture. So now we have seen the first example of the roots of quadratic equation and also the example of standard form of quadratic equation. But I hope you understand today's lecture. Tomorrow we will see second quadratic equation chapter, practice set 2.1. But those who are new to this channel, please like and share video.
So friends, did you like today's lecture or not? I am bringing you a new lecture. You are below Mr. P. Subscribe to our channel for latest video. Thank you.